Hi, hello. So if you're anything like me, you have a really curly hair and it takes forever to straighten it. That is until I did find the Revlon 2-in-1 hair straightener and volumizer. Essentially, it is a circular hair dryer and it has changed my life. It has gone from taking an hour to straighten curly hair to 10 minutes. And so I'm going to show you how that's done. Just noting that the video is 2 times the speed, but the total time was 10 minutes and 34 seconds that it took me to do my hair. And you can see how it goes from curly to straight in that time to look like this. So enjoy, and if you like it, I have put the link down in the description for you to buy it on Amazon. It's only $50. My biggest regret is that it took me so long to actually buy it. Enjoy.